ड्यूरिंग लिटिगेशन सर्जरी कर रहे हो, डेथ हो जाए, पेपर आप कितना भी अच्छा बनाओगे, लेकिन उस टाइम के सिनारियो सिचुएशन बहुत कुछ चीजें मिस हो जाती है. वन एग्जांपल, देयर वाज अ केस व्हिच आई गॉट वेयर ENT सर्जन हैज posted a patient for where the ENT surgeon has posted a patient for abscess drain. सिंपल केस. 2 बजे उसने पेशेंट को एडमिट किया, 4 बजे उसने इन्वेस्टिगेशन सेम हॉस्पिटल के लैब से फोन करके पता किया, 5 बजे पेशेंट को ओटी में पोस्ट किया, मेडिकल एक्सीडेंट हुआ, पेशेंट का डेथ हुआ. पेशेंट के डेथ के बाद डॉक्टर की टीम नेचुरली पोस्टमार्टम को भेजने वाली हो, पेरिटॉन्सिलर एब्सेस था, सिंपल पेरिटॉन्सिलर एब्सेस था. डॉक्टर ने पेपर प्रॉपर बनाया, पुलिस का इंटरवेंशन हुआ, पेपर सब उन्होंने ले लिया, एंड दे हैव सेंट दैट पेपर फॉर एक्सपर्ट फॉर ओपिनाइजिंग देयर ओपिनियन. चूंकि इतना गड़बड़ था, पब्लिक जमा हो गई थी कि हॉस्पिटल ने पैथोलॉजी से रिपोर्ट मंगाने का सोचा नहीं. नॉर्मल हॉस्पिटल की आदत क्या है कि पैथोलॉजी रिपोर्ट नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग में फाइल में लगाया जाता है या लेट नाइट में फाइल में लगाया जाता है, कि पैथोलॉजी से आने को टाइम हो जाता है, इमीडिएट तो नहीं आता. इस केस में वही हुआ. द ओपिनियन गिवन बाय द एक्सपर्ट्स, there were 2, 3, 4 important opinion given, but I'll just narrate you 1 or 2 to make you understand about medical record also, where they have mentioned that when froth was observed, clear indication of pulmonary edema, why diuretic Lasix given after 45 minutes. It's not that my doctor is not given on time, my doctor is given on time, but क्या हुआ, पर्टिकुलर लिखने में और टाइमिंग लिखने में मिसमैच हुआ. इसीलिए आपको मेडिको लीगल एक्सपर्ट चाहिए, लीगल एंगल से देखने वाला बंदा चाहिए. अगर वही पेपर एक्सचेंज कर लिया होता तो प्रॉब्ली ये लेकुना नहीं रहता था. सेकंड, उन्होंने लिखा कि आइदर इन्वेस्टिगेशन नॉट डन और नॉट डॉक्यूमेंटेड. मतलब ओपिनियन देने वाले डॉक्टरों को ये पता था कि माय डॉक्टर कैन नॉट डू अ सर्जरी विदाउट डूइंग अ प्री इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑन अ पेशेंट. सिंस रिपोर्ट वाज नॉट अवेलेबल विद द फाइल, माय डॉक्टर हैज रिटन ambiguous word that either documentation not done or report not done, blood investigation not done. एंड कोर्ट के अंदर जब 304A लगाया गया था तो पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर ने 45 मिनट सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट पर आर्ग्यू किया था कि लॉ इज एब्सोल्यूट, 2 into 2 4, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नहीं है. एंड ही सेड इफ not documented means not done. So without doing any investigation, if surgery has been proceeded by the surgeon, there is a high chances that knowledge was there that death can happen, and death has happened. 304 non-bailable offense, 10 years punishment. Friend, इन सब चीजों के लिए you need to have medical legal expert during surgery. कि ओटी के अंदर डेथ डिक्लेयर करने को टाइम है, मेडिको लीगल एक्सपर्ट से बात करो, पेपर एक्सचेंज करो, 2 बार चेक करो, 3 बार चेक करो. Once you are fine, then declare a death and hand over the paper. Learn from medical legal experts and their experience that how to declare a death, how to handle the mob, how to handle the media people. क्योंकि expert has got that expertise after handling 16,000 cases, and you are safeguarded when you are with a doctor's risk. क्योंकि doctor risk में I am a major part. So when I am there, I am always there. And मैं तो सबको बोलता हूँ, मेरे से बात करने के बाद मैं आपको बताऊं, बहुत सारे डॉक्टरों का मेरे को फोन आता तो यही बोलते कि सर आपसे बात करने को हमको हिचकिचाहट होती है. आई सेड व्हाई? आई नेवर से नो टू एनी कॉल ऑफ माय डॉक्टर व्हेन दे कॉल मी. बोले ना सर, यू आर अ सुप्रीम कोर्ट लॉयर एंड हाउ कम वी कैन डिस्टर्ब यू. आई सेड यू शुड नेवर एवर वरी. लेकिन अगर तुमको लगता है कि तुम नहीं कॉल कर सकते, स्टिल यू वांट टू हैव अ रिलेशन विद मी, देन यू बिकम अ डॉक्टर. यू टेक अ पॉलिसी फ्रॉम डॉक्टर्स. डॉक्टर्स की पॉलिसी लेने के बाद एटलीस्ट तुम्हारे माइंड में तो रहेगा कि आई हैव टेकन इंडेमनिटी पॉलिसी, एंड विद दैट कॉन्फिडेंस यू कैन डिस्टर्ब मी एनी टाइम. सो आई एम गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट योर केस व्हेन इट इज अ मैटर goes in court of law. Even if at all I'm charging a lakh rupees for appearing to private client, for doctor's client there is no charge, because that is comes in the package. You paid 10,000 rupees and taken a policy, I come in a package. One of the best thing in country is I do, because I really want to save this medical fraternity. I want to save my doctors. I have surrendered my medical degree, opted for bar council registration only for the doctors. I never take a patient's case. I am only doing all protection things and support system for my doctors, because I want my doctor who is giving a life to the society and giving a lots of good word, they should be safeguarded and they should be protected. They should be respected well in the society. So you can have that policy with you. So doctor's risk medical legal service policy, doctor's risk indemnity policy is going to give protection to you, which you can bang on. The complete wellness software or direct doc software, where the medical legal services inbuilt are there to support you You can just do a peaceful practice and increase your practice by covering 139 crore population across the country. Catering this 139 crore, you can multifold grow in this country faster, as fast as possible, and without fear of any medical legal aspect in the country. Otherwise, friend, go for error omission policy when you are holding a nursing home. अगर आपका हॉस्पिटल ओनर हुआ, आप हॉस्पिटल आपका तो नर्सिंग होम पॉलिसी लीजिए. दिस इज ऑल्सो कंस्टिट्यूट वन ऑफ द यूनिक पॉलिसी. अब नर्सिंग होम पॉलिसी में क्या है? All the paramedical staffs are covered. I have seen multiple cases in this country happen because of paramedical. Paramedical का ego patient को hurt करता है. Let me share a case. There was a one beautiful case which came to me where this cardiac surgeon was doing an angioplasty. Patient died during angioplasty. Everything was well explained to the relatives of the patient, who was a Muslim patient. They were very cool. They were very calm. All 7 sons of that particular guy who died was absolutely cool. They have accepted the death. The cardiologist has explained pre-hand everything to them. Things were absolutely smooth, and they just wanted to have a dead body so that they can do the rituals. They went to the billing department. They have already paid a 1 lakh rupees deposit for the procedure. Total bill which came to this account department was 84,000. 16,000 इनको तो refund मिलना था. So they said, we don't want a refund. We will come and settle later. You just give a note so that we can take a body. Account department के. But account department has found that 4,500 का blood investigation का पैसा बाकी था. उनके हॉस्पिटल में ऐसा था कि ब्लड पैथोलॉजी बगल में थी, उसका पेशेंट ने डायरेक्ट पैसा देना चाहिए था और इनका पेशेंट का अलग था. इतनी खाली कौन, बहुत सारे रहते हैं ना, मेडिकल स्टोर का बिल अलग है, पैथोलॉजी का बिल अलग है. Patient has requested the accountant that please deduct 4,500 out of 16,000 rupees and remaining amount we are not demanding. We will come later and release the body. Probably that accountant was trained such a way by hospital owner that you need not to release till the time pathology bill is done good. And she acted accordingly. And in that hue cry, she shouted, both ego got hurted. The relative felt actually got pained because they lost their father. They have got advanced with the hospital. Still, they are requesting and crying for the body. And that has created a hue and cry. And within no time, the whole hospital was broken by these 7 sons and their friends. Kya hua tha? Paramedical staff. Not only that, attitude and behavior of paramedical staff, if not been trained, is going to cause a lot harm to the hospital. Because when my doctor and owner is not in a hospital, the ward boy, the ayabai are acting as the owner of the hospital. Abhi nahi milna hai, abhi time nahi hai. No polite word. And major litigation goes in the court of law because of paramedical staff. In nursing home, friend, even many of the time treatment given. I know one corporate hospital case, a pediatric hospital, where Taxim injection was routinely used in pediatric patient. But in one case, doctor has written Taxim syrup. New assistant nurse as a trainee was there. She was used to give Taxim as an injection for almost 90% patient. When this bottle came to her, she thought that this is also injection. She reconstituted a solution. She taken that solution in a syringe and pushed IV to the patient. Imagine, friend. So all the, even multiple time I've got cases where the blood kept in a fridge of 2 different blood group of different patient got interchanged because of the negligence of a paramedical staff. So paramedical staff need to be covered. So error omission policy designed by Doctors Risk is one of the beautiful nursing home policy which covers not only the director, all the directors, CEO, CFOs, partners, proprietors, every people at the upper level, but also covers the treating doctor. It also covers visiting consultant to that hospital. You got a hospital, but 20 doctors are visiting from outside. They are also covered under the same domain in your hospital. They covered paramedical staff, all sort of a paramedical staff under that domain. So one of the beautiful policy available, and that to be huge discounted rate. You can check the amount you are paying and you can take quotations for new. You will understand how much difference in rates are there. So with a very less rate, with the high things are available to you. So error omission policy for nursing home people and professional indemnity policy for doctors are available. Please go with that as a greatest defense to you. Have a medical legal service inbuilt in that. That is going to be great defense to you. When I talk about nursing home, I'll tell you the best defense lies in a medical record, friend. Medical record is the one document which saves you from criminal liability, which saves you from civil liability, which saves you from medical council liability. नर्सिंग होम को तो मेडिकल काउंसिल की लायबिलिटी डायरेक्ट नहीं है क्योंकि आप ओनर हो, लेकिन डेफिनेटली है आपके ट्रीटिंग डॉक्टरों को, क्योंकि उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन काउंसिल के साथ है और काउंसिल के पास सस्पेंशन या रिमूवल ऑफ द नेम फ्रॉम द लिस्ट या वार्निंग, ऑल ऑप्शंस रेडी हैं एज अ पनिशमेंट इफ केस इज प्रूवन. लेकिन एज अ ओनर probably you can be safeguarded, but you need to have a protection. So medical records, medical record nursing home की policy hospitals में क्या रहते हैं, छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, papers are going to be same. Admission form which plays a very vital role. आपका consent paper in any given scenario situation is one of the important document. IPD sheets are very important for you. क्या लिखना, कहाँ लिखना, क्या सिग्नेचर लेना, काउंसलिंग किया तो क्या मेंशन करना है, पैथोलॉजी रिपोर्ट किया तो कहाँ लिखना है, एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग नीड टू बी टेकन केयर इन आईपीडी सेक्शन. टीपीआर चार्ट, my friend, I'll tell you multiple things I have seen in court of law argued by good lawyers there who has made their case only on the basis of TPR chart, only on the basis of TPR chart. I'll give example कि 11 बजे हमारा कंसल्टेंट राउंड लेता है हॉस्पिटल का, and 11 बजे के राउंड पे he writes something as a BP reading while physically examining the patient. He writes pulse rate, he writes the respiration rate, he writes the findings, temperature and everything while advising a medicine. Exactly 11 बजे का रिकॉर्ड अगर आप टीपीआर चार्ट में दो तो इट डिफर्स. रीजन क्या है? नर्सेज आर ओवरलोडेड विद वर्क. आई डोंट से दे आर रॉन्ग, दे आर एक्चुअली ओवरलोडेड. सो व्हाट दे डू, जब उनको ओवर देना होता है शाम को 8 बजे उनकी ड्यूटी का दूसरे नर्स को, तो वो एक आधे घंटे के अंदर दे कंप्लीट देयर टीपीआर चार्ट. एंड आधे घंटे में जो पहला रीडिंग होता है, दैट रीडिंग गोज टिल द एंड. उतना भी डिफरेंस if advocate shows to the court, it shows their deficiency in service on the part of a hospital. Your discharge summary. I have got a corporate hospital case where houseman has given a discharge summary in a CRF patient, chronic renal failure patient. Having a prejudiced mind that this patient knows about the dialysis, regular dialysis of twice a week or thrice a week, he forgot to write on discharge summary. And since he has not written dialysis, patient after death has filed a case against this particular hospital only on that ground, and pleaded to the court that we are a layman. Whatever doctor is going to advise, we are going to follow. And I have never advised on this discharge card that dialysis to be done. So my son has not gone for the dialysis and he died. Court has accepted this pleading, penalized the hospital for 5 lakhs rupees. तो आपका लिखना वहां भी डिफिकल्ट है. सादा ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन के लिए प्रॉपर कंसेंट नहीं लिया था, पेशेंट का डेथ हुआ, उसमें भी हॉस्पिटल को पेनलाइज हुआ है. सो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट नर्सिंग होम एसोसिएशन और इंडिविजुअल डॉक्टर, वी नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. वी नीड टू बी रियली केयरफुल दैट व्हाट एंड वेयर वी आर राइटिंग, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी नीड टू रियली think on that. My friend,